How to use Jira Software for project management. Hello everyone and welcome back. Now we all know the importance of a good project management software. This can really make or break your team because it's really important to be able to plan, track, collaborate, and then report on your project. Jira can help you do all of that, and it has some powerful integrations that are available, so you can also integrate any third-party app that you're using. They have all the features that you need, from collaborative boards as well as announcements, connections with Slack, workflow automation, and so much more. So let's get started with Jira. Click on Try Jira for free to get started with Jira and just sign up for your account. To get started, you can simply type in your site name that you want to use and then proceed with creating your site. Ideally, this is going to be your business name that you're going to use. After that, you're going to select the template that you want. We're going to get started with project management. Once done, click on continue and it is going to prepare your workspace for you. So we're going to wait a couple of seconds for it to build our entire board for us. And this is what is so amazing about using Jira, is that it builds everything for you and you don't have to worry or fret about any of the knickknacks because it's customizable, yet it is built for teams to get started. So if your team is just getting started, you're easily able to use Jira and utilize all of its amazing tools. Now, moving forward, we're going to go on ahead and go into our next step with project management while using Jira. So for that, we're going to go ahead and log on to our account and load up our Jira screen. So starting off, you're going to name your project. Let's say within my project, let's say this particular project is going to be Project A. Let's keep it simple. Let's say it's Project AMK or AMG or AMY. From here, we're going to click on Create Project, and you can even use a different template if you prefer, or if you think that particular template might be more useful for you. But I'm just going to proceed with this template over here because I find it to be pretty easy and simple to use. So moving forward, we're going to go on ahead and we are just going to get started with our project. Now within this, we can click on View All Projects. This is our project. And when you open up the individual project, you have a quick start menu where you can sort and prioritize within your list view. You have visual timeframes, bird's eye view, centralized invoices, and more. Now for this, first off, I'm going to click on the project and then set the project background because I don't like a super dark color. I prefer to go with a really pretty pink color like this. You can even use one of their gradients, images, or upload your own image. Once done, the next thing is to add your teams. So you can search and add for teams if you've already made them on Jira, or you can click on Add People and add your team members individually. You can add them from Google, Slack, Microsoft, or you can add them via their email as well, and they will be notified in their inbox that they have received an invitation. So that's just how you can proceed with adding your members. Now, once you've gotten started with adding members, the next thing that you're going to do within your space is set up your views. So within your summary view, you have a general overview and it has all the basic widgets. Within your list view, you have all of the tasks that are being created. Now, if your industry has any specific categorizations, let's say for my particular project, I also want to specify if it's for team A or team B, because let's say we're working for two teams. So I can create a brand new field. This field can have an original estimate, parent field, resolution, or status category, or this could also be a start date, end date, whatever you want. So within this, I'm going to make this a drop down, and this is going to be called team. And then I'm going to click on create. Okay, a field with the same name exists within this project. So I'm going to name this K or M and then click on create. And then after that, I will add the field option. So within the drop down, what are going to be the options. So it's either option K or option M, depending on whichever team that this is for. Now, after that, I can add any other type of column, whether it's potential revenues, timestamps, numbers, labels, people, URLs, anything that I want to add can be added. Now moving forward, once you have all of your things specified, I like to go into the board view to set up our basic visual cues. So we have a to-do, in progress, and done section. I usually like to rename the first one into tasks, in progress, done. However, some people also might want to create a status for things such as approved, and this is going to be in the done status. And if you want to add any other statuses that your tasks might go through, such as rejected, stuck, then you can add those here. Then you can click on create to get started with adding your tasks, or you can go back into your list view and you can also create your tasks here. This just comes down to personal preference on how you want to work. Let's say we need to build a social media brand strategy, and then I'm going to add that task. Once I do that, I can click on this and then add all the specifiers. So I can add a description, and I can even do /AI, and I have Atlassian Intelligence to assist me in writing. So within this, write the AI or select from below, and I want to write a brand social media strategy for growth. I'm just specifying, just some basic things that this task needs to accomplish, and then I can create my, specific tasks. So you guys can see that this is what the AI is added. This is a pretty long section, so I just want to keep the first two points. So I want to refine this and make it shorter. I'm going to insert that and then remove all the extra points. I only want to define goals, increase brand awareness, and then after that, identify the target audience within that task. From here, people can also comment, view the history, work logs, and approvals. On the right side, you will find all of the fields. So who is the reporter and who is the assignee? I'm going to assign this to myself, and then I can set the priority for this. I can set any labels, and you can create your own labels within Atlassian's Jira. And then you also have due dates as well as time tracking that are built in, so you can log in time that is spent. You also have a start date as well as a category, team, and then after that K or M, and then I'm going to select, let's say it's for team K. Then you also have automations that you can set up. After that, you even have a calendar view, which allows you to see any of the scheduled tasks and how long the duration of each individual task is. You can click on the right side and then filter in the tasks that are not assigned any particular dates. And then you have a timeline view, which allows you to visually see what progress is happening and who is going to be doing what within the coming week. Then you also have pages, which can help you in building a knowledge base, blank page, product requirements, decision making, meeting notes, retrospective, or other types of pages and documents within Jira. Then you also have forms to collect your data as well as other shortcuts. And just like so, your project is ready on Jira. And the best part is that you can get started for free, but it's limited to only 10 users. After that, you can get started with the standard at $7.53 for every user every month. And this allows you to add user roles, permissions, as well as 9 to 5 regional support. You also can add 1,700 automation rules every month, which is pretty amazing and can simplify your workflows. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.